Are you looking to level up your social media game with eye-catching animated content that captures attention instantly? What if you could create stunning stories, reels, and posts without any design skills? Meet Mojo App, the ultimate content creation tool designed to make your social media stand out. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how Mojo can transform your content creation with ease. Introduction. Welcome back to AI Tools Review. Today we're diving into the world of Mojo App, a powerful content creation tool that lets you design beautiful animated stories and videos for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and more. Whether you're a digital marketer, influencer, or just someone looking to make your social media posts pop, Mojo has got you covered. Let's explore its features and see how it can help you create visually stunning content that grabs attention. What is Mojo App? Mojo App is a mobile-based application that offers a wide range of templates and design tools for creating animated stories, posts, and videos. It's designed for users who want to enhance their social media content without the hassle of learning complex design software. With Mojo, you can create professional quality animations, edit videos, add text, music, and so much more, all within a few taps. Why use Mojo App? Creating engaging social media content can be challenging, especially when you need to maintain a consistent and visually appealing brand aesthetic. Mojo App solves this problem by offering an extensive library of customizable templates and intuitive editing tools that make content creation quick, easy, and fun. Key features. Animated templates. Mojo App offers a vast collection of animated templates designed for various social media platforms. From Instagram stories to TikTok videos, these templates are crafted to help your content stand out. Customize them with your own photos, videos, text, and colors to match your brand style perfectly. Intuitive text animations. Make your stories more engaging with intuitive text animations. Choose from a variety of text styles and animation effects that can be easily applied to your content. Highlight key messages, announcements, or any information you want to stand out with just a few taps. Customizable fonts and music. Express your unique style with customizable fonts and add the perfect soundtrack using Mojo's music library. Whether it's upbeat, calming, or dramatic, you can find the right track to set the tone for your story or video. You can also upload your own music to add a personal touch. Video editing tools. Mojo isn't just about stories. It comes with powerful video editing tools that let you trim, crop, and adjust your videos with ease. Add overlays, filters, and transitions to create seamless and professional-looking videos in minutes. Branding and style options. Maintain a consistent look across your content with Mojo's branding and style options. Customize templates with your brand's logo, colors, and fonts to create a cohesive and recognizable social media presence. Social media ready. Export options. Once you've created your masterpiece, export your content in high resolution, optimized for any platform: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and more. Mojo makes it easy to share your content directly from the app. How to use Mojo App. Getting started with Mojo App is straightforward. Download and install. Download the Mojo App from the App Store or Google Play and install it on your device. Choose a template. Browse through the library of templates and choose one that fits your content needs, whether it's for a story, post, or video. Customize the content. Add your photos, videos, text, and music to the template. Adjust the colors, fonts, and animations to match your style. Edit and enhance. Use Mojo's editing tools to fine-tune your content. Add effects, transitions, and other enhancements to make your post stand out. Preview and export. Preview your content, make any final adjustments, and export it in high resolution, ready for sharing on your favorite social media platform. Personal review. After using Mojo App, I can confidently say it's a fantastic tool for anyone serious about elevating their social media content. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with a wide variety of templates and customization options, makes content creation enjoyable and highly efficient. If you want to create eye-catching animations and videos without the hassle of complex editing tools, Mojo is definitely worth a try. Conclusion. In conclusion, Mojo App is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool that helps you create stunning animated content for social media. Whether you're promoting a brand, sharing personal stories, or just looking to boost your online presence, Mojo has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews.